In fact, you requested me. Thank you. You did.
But still, you can't use she, and there are too many people involved here.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, she and he refer to him and her. Since he asked the question and I permitted it, she and he refers to him and her. So the you should have kept track of what was going on. So the objection is valid and you can continue starting now.
Football manufacturing company.
6.
The speech on the word after football. Football manufacturing.
Actually, there was a speech on football also, so I'll give you that. There was a bit of a speech effect. Yes, you're right, Shay. Okay, you can continue talking to us starting now.
The importance of homosexuality.
Yes?
He's running his words together.
Not yet, he isn't. He might have to let him speak. So I'm not giving that to you, but do continue listening. You can continue talking starting now.
We cannot overlook him.
3.
It's direct speech.
That is direct speech. Yes, I have to give you that. Glad you recognize it in its right form. So you get points for the objection and get to continue starting now.
Communion between
2.
There's an hesitation before he starts.
Absolutely, there was a hesitation. Good objection. Continue on the point starting now.
A hospital in Mumbai.
3. No. No, it was correct and I was listening. So you don't get that. Continue talking to us about hospitals starting now.
A hospital in Mumbai called.
4. On. Okay, I have to give you that. Wasn't as clear as last time, which is a problem. So you can continue starting now.
music theory.
3. Yeah, he was late. He was not very late. So you do get it. So continue. Take up the mic and start now.
She did not like him.
Yeah?
She did not, he realized he was going to be late, so he started jumping. She did not speech defective.
Yeah, it had not speech defected, so.
Speech defect.
No, it was speech defecting, it hadn't speech defected. So let's allow him to make the mistake. So continue talking to us starting now.
He wanted to give him a pole dance.
What was your objection to that?
The first word was said much in a much lower tone than the rest of the sentence. Words.
No, it wasn't. She was very clear about the fact that she wanted to give him a pole dance. And I need to hear more about that. So you can continue talking to us about the pole dance starting now.
However, he did not.
2. Yep. But I can forgive him if the pole dance was going on. So please do continue talking to us about the same thing if possible starting now.
She was good at singing and
Yes?
she was good at singing.
There wasn't a speech defect on good, but I'm actually not interested in the singing. Still, you can continue talking to us starting now.
She could.
Yes? Stop. Yep. Ran out of ideas there. Notice how none of you have gotten points for humor so far. So stop boring me starting now.
Cadaver called
5.
First word speech defect.
Yes, absolutely. I couldn't even figure out what that was. So you can continue telling me starting now.
Cadaver called body.
3.
You didn't hear what I said, but that's what I said in segregation that.
So if I didn't hear what you said, how can I agree that he's plagiarizing it?
These people heard it.
And I have to take their opinion, am I?
It's on tape.
No, I actually did hear that your first word was cadaver. So and it is a plagiarism. So I have to give it to him. So
Did you use a cadaver?
for what purposes? It depends on that. So with certain restrictions, I allow you to use your cadaver starting now.
A cadaver called Michael Jackson.
Yes?
He's plagiarizing my idea of plagiarizing cadaver.
You're being smart here. But you're being too smart, so that loses you 2 points.
Can I qualify Michael Jackson?
As the cadaver? I don't think so, no. I'm not accepting that. So you can continue talking starting now.
Elton John wanted to.
2.
There was an hesitation. Everyone don't wanted to.
There wasn't a hesitation. You're not catching the point here. Continue talking. Yeah, continue talking to us about that starting now.
He wanted a pole dance by Michael Jackson.
5.
There was I know, but it has to.
What do you know?
But
No. Please tell me what you know first.
I understand that he's excited, but there was little too much stress on pole dance of the pole. The pole of the pole dance is too much stress.
Yeah, that pole was actually prominent. So, I give you the objection and continue talking to her starting now.
In a restaurant called Gaga Zone,
Two.
Football manufacturing company called Gaga in a restaurant called Gaga Zone. He's not getting anywhere. He's just qualifying again and again. Time wasting. He could have used the football manufacturing company Gaga and got a new idea.
standard format.
And gotten?
He could have gotten some new idea using that itself. He doesn't have to keep qualifying new things every time.
I would have gotten standard format if I used that.
Gaga instead of football manufacturing company. Standard.
You know, that would also be standard format. So no, he's basically playing around with not being standard formatted here. So he's doing it intelligently.
No, but he's
Is Gaga
qualifying
not
too many things.
Huh?
He's time wasting basically. He's qualifying too many
No, he's
things.
not time wasting yet. And your question was?
Gaga Zone qualified?
Yes, definitely. I'll consider that qualified now. So do continue starting now.
Gaga Zone gave pizzas to people.
One. Oh, that's the minute. So finally the minute is up. I did